It might be mild and downright cold in some spots of the Bay Area, but Dave says that's going to heat up.
Exactly. He's cooked up something good for Marty's very last day on TV.
Okay, Dave, what do you got?
A little fog at first. But...
Well, yeah, I'm sorry I can't bring you a nice monsoon, drippy, juicy thunder showers or whatever. But, yeah, we have mild temperatures to start things off. Lots of green on the board. Also, from a Half Moon Bay camera, which is somewhat typical around the bay, we have those fog clouds going on. But you get inland like Walnut Creek and so forth. Sun's out, nice blue skies, so microclimates in the morning are already checking in. They're going to check in the afternoon with those different temperatures. Got the 4 zone right around the bend here. 70 going on for Antioch right now. Everybody else is pretty much in the 50s, a couple lower 60s. East of the East Bay Hills, as you will notice, and also 64 San Jose. Enrique, it is a hurricane still. It was forecast to become a a Category 2 storm. Looks like that's not going to happen. It will become a tropical storm. This means weakening, going up to Cabo, and becoming a tropical depression at that point. Okay, that's good news. Yeah, but the problem is it's all that bad weather it's going to dump there in the southern tip of Baja. So that's where the problem lies. Now, it looks like this is going to stay pretty much contained into the south and not impact our weather, something we do tend to look out for, particularly when we get later in the season. So we have the basic high that's in place. We still see the flare-up of those thunder showers in the afternoon hours in the mountain ranges. Again, not unusual for the summer months. And towards the end of the week, might get a little humidity trying to work in here, a little bit for the inland spots. We're just mentioning it there, just a touch. But if that tropical system were throwing moisture our way, we'd see a lot more activity on this map. Fortunately, we're not. That's not the kind of moisture we want, because usually when we get it up here, it's high level, and we just get dry lightning with it. It's not good stuff to get. It'd be nice if we nice not downpour, but we're just probably not going to get that. 64 San Francisco at the coast, we're looking at lower 60s. Meanwhile, on the bay side, upper 60s at that. Burlingame at 71. Don't forget a nice wind at your back. 75 Foster City, 79 Palo Alto, 75 for Mountain View. Santa Clara, 79, 80 San Jose. Morgan Hill up to 89. Los Gatos at 86, 81. Cupertino, East Bay Shoreline to the south, mid-70s. We're approaching mid-80s for Tri-Valley. Of course, we're building on that the next few days. 83 Walnut Creek, Concord at 86, 66 Berkeley with 71 for Oakland. Meanwhile, Vallejo checks in at 70, 87 Fairfield, 82 going on for Napa, 84 Sonoma, and Santa Rosa at 84. You can see these numbers a bit more muted. Not so many 90s going on there. Well, our luck's going to run out from Monday into Tuesday. Warming up a touch. We get into the early part of the week. There you see them, a couple 90s lined up there for us. We'll keep the 90s all week long. Towards the end of the week, let's throw some more clouds in here. We're getting some of that tropical influence, but just that's throwing clouds our way. It does reduce our temperatures a little bit. 70s, meanwhile, on the East Bay shoreline, and it stays the 60s at the coast. Marty?